Do I have a treat for you today? I got my hands on some incredible polymer known as Invis-acrylic, as in invisible acrylic. It's absolutely see-through polymer sheets. You can get it in any range of sizes you want. I happen to get decent sized sheets of 1/8 inch thick Invis-acrylic, and I was able to make this box out of it. Impressive, right? I know, it blows my mind when I think about it. I mean, it is absolutely transparent. Let me show you how I did it. You can work with it just like you do any other kind of sheet acrylic. You have to be careful. The stuff splinters readily, so wear face protection and all that kind of good stuff. First thing you need to do is cut your sheets to size, and do it just like you would any other kind of sheet material. I use the table saw. Carefully run it through. Make sure you keep an eye on where you think the acrylic should be, because you're not going to be able to see it. You'll feel it, of course. If you drop it, you're in trouble. You're going to have to be kicking around looking for this stuff because you can't see it, right? The best thing to do, I've learned in my short time working with Invis-acrylic, is to get extra, because you will lose pieces of it. It just goes with the nature of using something that is completely transparent. Once you get the sheets cut, you're then going to need to route it. Run it through, being careful. Again, remember where it is. All right. Once you get that done, you're going to have to assemble it. You might as well turn the lights out in the shop because you're just doing this by feel. I kept them on, of course, because I wanted to show you how it's done. You can assemble Invis-acrylic in any number of ways. I like to use specially formulated Invis-acrylic adhesive. It's akin to a cyanoacrylate glue, except, you guessed it, you can't see it. I keep mine in these little bottles just so I know where it is. The other thing you can do is use nails. I couldn't make this up, could I? They make brads for your nail gun made out of Invis-acrylic. Check it out. These things work terrifically well, and just like the sheets, you're not going to be able to see it. What I like to do is use a combination of Invis-acrylic glue and Invis-acrylic brads to hold it together as sturdy as possible. Last thing to do once you build a box is to put something important in it. With an Invis-acrylic box, it's fantastic because it protects whatever you have, but it looks like it's out on open display. It'll never collect dust. Here's my box. Here's what I'm going to put in. My vintage Obi-Wan Kenobi action figure. Perfect, right? There you go. It's as if I didn't put it in anything. Invis-acrylic. Have a look. Well, have a feel. See what you think, and let me know what you build with your next purchase of Invis-acrylic.